In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone here on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you do have, TikTok open right now, go ahead and back out of it fully, and I mean fully swipe out of it so that it's fully closed. Essentially open up your settings app on your device, and essentially what you need to do is find the apps section specifically on here. Now you could just go all the way down and then open up apps, and then from here just search for TikTok, or you could search for TikTok originally. It'll be the exact same thing, but there's a few settings you're looking for on here. Firstly, photos, you want to make sure it's set to full access right here. Microphone, go ahead and make sure it is turned on, and of course make sure camera is also turned on as well. Once all three of these are enabled, TikTok will be able to use your camera and mic as well as your photos if you ever just want to record something normally and then upload it. It really is as simple as that. From here, you can go ahead and open up TikTok again and you will be good to go. That is the entire process. If you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.